Hello guys, we're back in this game. So I haven't post. Hindi pa ako nagbi-video pala guys. Guys, sorry guys, Guys, I'm sorry. I cannot speak English properly. So if you know how to Tagalog, I will Tagalog. Yeah. Tara guys. Tapos na pala yung kaya na guys, tara. Di na nga pala ako nag-video guys. Tara guys. Let's go. Tara guys. Tara. Tara guys. Guys, by the way,
siguro po may lapses po si Father Flaviano Villanueva na tumulong sa mga biktima ng
there's that's the breaking. Oh no.
At si dating Senador Fanny tumulong sa mga representatives.
Oh my God, guys! Grabe guys, ayun siya. Uy! Nagkakamp siya, guys. Kampil ka. Tara guys, ibahin pala natin ba't ganito yung avatar ko guys. Ito gawin natin. Let's go. Guys, ngayon tayo ay Blackbeard cured. So guys, power tayo. So guys, don't guys, para guys, huwag mo intindihin yung mga narinig nyo guys. So, it's just my mom and talking. Yeah guys, huwag kalimutan yan guys. So guys, we're here. Oh my God. Oops, maybe it's number. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God, wait. OMG, maybe this bacon is no killing it, guys. Grabe, wala pa rin papatay. Oh, yun guys. Oh my God, sino na naman yan? Yo guys, wait. Grabe to guys. Asan yun? Uy. Asan sila? Uy. Guys, nagkano ba? Grabe, asan na? I think guys, shit. This is trouble. Nah, this is trouble, guys. This is freaking trouble. Oh my God, guys. This is an ankle break. Oh my God. This is ankle break. This is Bruh. This Wait, how did you skip the until the ground, guys. Guys, wait. We're back! We're back! Guys, we're back, guys. Let's go! Oh my god. This must be this is bad. Maybe Taglish na lang tayo, guys. We're gonna do Taglish, guys. Oh, we're gonna do Taglish for sure, guys. Wait, I'm actually cooking, guys. Oh, somebody already killed. Alright, let's see. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Oops. Guys, we're gonna skip it again. Guys, we're back. Guys. Oh, Gian Sharp, guys. Let's go and be a useless sheriff. I actually cannot. Okay. It's now 1. Baby he's can we gamble, guys? Never mind. It's not. Wait. I started. Yo guys, if he's the murderer, he could actually kill this guy. Guys, kung pinatay niya yan, I'm getting. Bro, guys, nag-yung screen ko. Grabe man yan, guys. Ayun na. Oops, no. Try natin mag-break, guys. Oops. Bro, I just wasted the... Oh my god. What? Bro, that's a waste, guys. That's a waste. That's a freaking waste, guys. Wait, guys. Wait. Guys, you know what, guys? Just look at the next video, guys. Yeah, next the video.